Okay, so nothing more frustrating. You're out washing the car or watering or doing a job, something like that, and the end blows off the hose. How to get it back on? Well, first of all, have a good old look at this. You see the black and the green here, how it's all stretched and deformed, and here how it's all dinted in, that lower part. When it gets deformed like that, it doesn't grip and hang on anymore, and that's why it's blown off. So rather than just spinning it back on, what we're going to do is just chop a little bit off and just give it a fresh bit of hose to bite onto. This is possibly the bluntest knife I own. Let's see if we can cut it off. Hopefully you won't get to see me bleed. Yeah, okay, so use a sharp knife. Okay, so then what we do to get it back on, you screw the ring off here, and then remember this has to go onto the hose. Don't use a blunt knife like I did, but you do need to get it square and get all the squashed out bits out. And then this part here, the hose has to go between all of these little guys, and if they're bent right in, you can actually grab them and pull them back out again so the hose fits on. Stick it on like that, and it's going to go right up until it stops. Then we put the lock nut on, screw it up, and you do want to get it up a bit tight, and there you go. That's beautiful, and back on, ready for another use.